Welcome to your Snooze Factory curtain rod installation guide. Connect the end cap by twisting. Then, mark your bracket positions 4 inches above your window frame and 6 inches from each side. Make sure they're level. Next, drill pilot holes and secure the mounting brackets with the provided screws. Remember to use wall anchors if you're not hitting studs. Now, extend the curtain rod as per your requirement and slide your curtain onto the rod. Finally, place the rod onto the brackets and tighten the set screws to lock it in place. Step back and adjust your curtains for that perfect, professional look. Thank you for choosing Snooze Factory. Sweet dreams await behind your new curtains.